I hope this really works, guys. This is the 5th time I'm doing this. This is brutal. Absolutely brutal. All right, guys. Krita, welcome to Krita. Some of you have never had me, and you don't know how to use Photoshop. So this will be a nice introduction of how to bring images in, okay? Boys, I gotta tell you, ladies and gents, this is frustrating when you do a bunch of recordings and you can't record, okay? Control N, I'm sorry, I'm not motivated at the moment. Control N, 3600 by 2400 at 300 pixels, okay? Second, content. I don't want this to be white background, so I want to just nudge this up a bit so the background is not white so my eyes can kind of adjust, okay? Done. All right, so that's great. Next, Windows. Everybody start with Big Paint 2. There. What I want you to do is left click here and move this out of the way, and you can dock it anywhere. So if I go up here, look, it's docked. All right. Next, there's 2 squares next to the X. Click on the 2 squares, left click in this space, move it up. What you want to do is hover, really, and we got it that way. I don't like this at all, so I'm going to get this out of here. I'm going to go to the tools. I'm going to move this. Come on, man. Release my tools. Let's do this again. Window, workspace, Big Paint 2. Try this again. I'm going to come over. I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to move it right up here. Dock it. Next, this is probably work better. Here, this gray bar, left click, and move it to the side so they're both side by side. Okay, great. I'm going to get rid of this view here and the brush options. I'm going to say bye-bye. So you have layers, color, these nice palettes, tools, and pens, brushes. Okay, so next thing I want to do is go to settings, configure Krita, quickly go to keyboard shortcuts, Photoshop compatible. I'm running fast here because in 10 minutes the bell's gonna go. I've done this 5 times now. If it just doesn't record, guys, you better take notes, better notes. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. So control minus, control plus, control minus, control plus, space bar, boom. Right now I have B for brush, and I'm gonna make this crazy thing. It's 274, change the size, whatever, right? Done. Control Z, bye-bye. Okay, layers, name your layers if you can, it'll help you a lot, okay? All right, so what I want to do is bringing images in, and I'm going to crop them out, and hopefully it'll look something like this at some point. Who knows? Not saved, not saved. I don't know which one I'm on here. I'm on this one here. Okay, right here. Okay, so I'm going to bring pictures in, and it's layer, import, and import again. Boom. I'm going a little fast, folks, because there's a lot to do here. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. I don't care. And press open. It's tiny, right? Don't worry about it. Press Control T, get the stamp looking tool. This is really called free transform. If I press enter now, look, it zooms in. Okay, it clarifies it. It clears it out. So it's very high res right now. This is going to be a little weird. There. Okay, I think I have 2 gigs of images open right now, and it's going to lag my computer. So what I want you to do is select this layer. If I turn off the eyeballs, on, off, move a layer up, down, your choice. Right now I'm in this layer in order to select items. Okay, the way I want you to select pieces from Libya's Woods is this. I had this beautiful talk and it's all gone, didn't record. So I'm just going to take this piece, okay guys, don't worry about it. It's going to make some weird shapes here, cut, come down here, and if it turns circle or double click, you got it. Control C, Control V. If you've ever used Microsoft Word, Office, whatever, that's the same hotkey. Move the tool, done. This is the pivot point, sorry. I move this here, done, enter. Hide it, come back, click on the layer you have. Zoom in and say, what do I want next? I may want to take this kind of, whatever the structure is, right? Go to the lasso tool, it looks like a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click, and don't worry where it ends. It doesn't have to be perfect. Double click, good enough. Control C, Control V. Sorry guys, I'm just rushing it, okay? See ya. See, it's right here. Don't try to pick something here thinking that you're picking. You're not picking unless you're in the layer, okay? So I'm going to call this some kind of a bridge. I don't know. All right, now bridge, done. What's this one? I'm just going to call that just panels, okay? I don't know if I did panels or not. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Hide, back to here. Make sure you select it. Okay, look around and say, what else do you want here? Okay, I kind of like this. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. I also like this window part, right? So I may just come in here and just grab this window piece here that goes up, over. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I like these pieces. Control C, Control V, done. Okay, hide the one bottom one. If you're in this tool here, which is the transform, Control T, move it somewhere else, enter. And I'm going to call that what? Window, okay? Just for now, done. Out, hide, back in here. Again, I'm gonna say another one over here. See, like I can't go in here because it's hidden. What's going on, Mr. Balian? You haven't selected your layer. Go in the layer, go to the tool, diamond right here, and I'm gonna borrow this piece. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Here, Control C, Control V. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna hide the base one. I'm gonna bring these guys up. Okay, now they're all here. Control minus, space bar, hold it down, pan, left click. Okay, I'm rushing here. I apologize, guys. This is the 5th time, like I said. Okay, right here. So where is this piece? Is it here? No, it's right here. So now I know I need to name this, so I'm going to call it something else, right? So there's this piece over here. Where is it? I don't know. Okay, panels, there it is. So I go to panels, then I use my tool, which is this one. I can move it here. I can resize it by holding shift and so on, okay? Right there. So if I want to take this guy here, which I haven't named, which is here. Now, look, what's going on? I can't see it. It's because, think of it as pages. It's underneath. The top layer happens to be the panel one. So I'm going to take this one and bring it to the top and watch. There it is. Because I have this selected, I can now go like this. I'm going to zoom in for a sec. Apologize. Look at this. Enter. Still select it. Rotate it. So it becomes kind of cool here. Watch. Okay, there. It's off my sheet. No problem. I can select these two together. Minus, Control minus. Look, because the 2 layers, I select one, hold shift, click, resize, hold shift again, right here. Look how sweet this is looking, okay? Zoom in again. I want to take that other piece over here, the bridge guy. Where's the bridge guy? Right here. So now I'm going to add this one over here. And what you can do is hover out and rotate. See how nice that is? There. Done. For example, now if I want that window piece, I go to window, and I grab the window piece, and now I'm going to come in here. Oh, can't see it. No problem. Bring it to the top. Done. Click it. Zoom in. Sorry, guys. It's like these are really high-res stuff going on here. So I may just continue. Whoops. Control Z. Undo. Just click once. Gently bring it over here. Rotate the line. Maybe something like that. Okay? Now, I like this. However, I don't need that horizontal part, so I'm going to get rid of it. Believe it or not, yes, this is a destructive way of doing it. This is not cool, but it's quick and works. Control X, cut. Control D. Now, my layer is here. Look, I could do something like this. Hover out, get my tool here. Say I like it. Done. Get my lasso again. Boom, boom. Get rid of this extra tail. Bye-bye. Control X, see you later. Control D, deselect. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So there you go. I've got all this. I like it. I'm going to select once, hold shift. All of these layers are selected now. Fantastic. Couldn't do that in the earlier versions of Krita, I think. Control T. Now I can resize this, okay? This is still massive, folks. So this is kind of cool, okay? That's what I did. Now, if you look over here, that's not that one. This one, that's exactly what I did. Okay, back to, I believe it's this one. Okay, what? I don't remember. Okay, whatever. Is it this one? I think it is. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this one. Don't save. I don't care. All right, enter. Yeah, I had all of these selected. So if you want to group these together, it's really Control G, but I'll show you. Right here, group, quick group, right here. Nice, right? You can go here like that. So if I want to hide it, gone. All right, there. Nicely done. Grouped. So let's go to this one. What is happening? The next thing I want you guys to do is kind of play around with the overall shapes that you're seeing. This is a really cool collage idea. So I'm going to show you another way to think about this assignment, okay? We're going to come in here now, a new layer, okay? And I'm going to use the lasso tool again, but this time I'm going to take the paint bucket and drop some colors in there for me to understand the shapes I've selected, okay? So I can go here, 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 boom, 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 and then somewhere here I'm going to double click. Hopefully it'll pick it for me. Thank you. Go to the bucket tool, pick a color here and stay in this color. Drop, too thick. Control Z. I'm going to change it to 50% maybe. Drop, One more time, 60, Control D. Done. Every time I click, it's another 10%. Okay, just trust me on it. All right, let's go. Next one. I'll do one more. The bell's going to go in 4 minutes. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go down here. I don't know where I started. And a double click. Let's see. It found it. Good. This time, leave your color there. Just go over here. Drop another color like this. Boom. Maybe here. Nope. Over here. Lovely. Grab my bucket tool. Drop. Control D. Deselect. Now I'm going to make this one. And of course, the bell is definitely going to go. It's like boom. Here. 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 And double click. Okay. Pick a different color. We're over here. Let's go somewhere here. All right. Grab my bucket tool, drop once, twice, Control D. All right. So what you're doing is understanding shapes. That's the goal. Now, the next thing after that is I'd like you to go in. Of course, this didn't work. Amazing, right? I've done so many versions of this here. All I did here, folks, is I'm going to zoom in here later, is I took lines just to help me sketch things out. Some of you might not understand color and shapes well, so you can also use your line tool to go over it, okay? So I'm going to hide. Yeah, no installation in the ceiling, folks. That's how it works here. Right here, pick a brush, 20, whatever it is, 20 is good. Opacity is fine. So what you're going to do here is grab the broken triangle if you want, and then you can draw things out as if you were sketching with me, okay? So you come in here and go, yeah, you know what, Mr. Balian, I think I like this shape. There it is. I'm going to do Control Z. I'm going to, how did I go down to 4? I have no idea. Okay, somewhere here. We're going to go do it again just quickly. So you can also look at what you've done this way, right? Come in here, click it. So you got a shape. Nice, right? And then you could do another shape. And again, this one I'm going to do all in one. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go like this, overlapping, boom, boom. So you're basically drawing now ideas, okay? Going here, boom, boom, like that, down, over. I don't know where this is. I'm going to stop it there. Nice. Okay, so then I'm going to go over here, here, like that, and draw shape. So you've done so many ways now. You've done a collage, you've done solid colors, and now you're doing lines to help you plan out this assignment, okay? So I'm going to come in here, boom, boom, and double click there. Look at that. These kind of shapes are kind of nice, eh? And then for this one, I'm just going to go around. I have no idea what I'm doing. Boom, boom, nice shapes. Lovely, okay? So this whole thing is by itself now. Look, nice. I can go here, and I can say to myself, yeah, you know what? That's not bad. I could do a lot with this later on when I start building the model in cardboard, just for fun. We're not touching 3D, guys. We're just going to go right into the architectural process, which is building models, sketching, concept. Let's make rough sketches on paper. We're going to cut it out and build our models. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this worked. Not doing it anymore. Balian out. This was fast, and I apologize. All right, done. I hope this is working. Stop.